In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share screen on Zoom. If you're presenting in a meeting, walking someone through a document, or showing a slide deck, screen sharing is one of the most useful features in Zoom. The good news is that it's very simple once you know where to click. I'll guide you through the process clearly so you can start sharing your screen with confidence. First, look at the bottom area of your Zoom meeting window and click on the Share button. This is the control that lets you choose what other participants will be able to see on your device. If you don't immediately see the meeting toolbar, move your mouse slightly and it should appear. On some devices, the layout may look a little different, but the share option is generally easy to find in the main meeting controls. After you click share, Zoom will open a selection window where you can choose what you want to present. At this point, select a screen. If you have more than one monitor connected, you may see multiple screen options. Be sure to choose the correct one, especially if you have private tabs, messages, or unrelated files open on another display. If you only have one screen, you'll typically just select that main screen from the available choices. It's a good idea to quickly check what's visible before continuing. Anything on the screen you select may be visible to the people in the meeting, so close anything personal or unnecessary ahead of time. This helps keep your presentation clean and avoids accidental oversharing. Once you've selected the screen you want to present, click on Share. As soon as you do that, Zoom will begin sharing your chosen screen with the meeting participants. You may notice a border or highlighted outline around the shared area, depending on your version of Zoom. That's a helpful visual sign that your screen is now live. From there, you can continue with your presentation, open the files you want to show, or demonstrate whatever you need in real time. If you ever need to switch to a different screen later, Zoom usually allows you to change what you're sharing from the meeting controls. And that's all it takes to share your screen on Zoom. Click share, select a screen, and then click share again to begin presenting. It's a quick process, but choosing the right screen and checking what's visible beforehand can make your meeting look much more polished and professional. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.